You know when you carve a pumpkin, what do you do with all those seeds inside? Most of us just toss them, right? Well, what if I told you those little seeds are actually one of nature's most incredible and most overlooked powerhouses? Today, we are going to dig into the amazing, science-backed benefits of eating pumpkin seeds every single day.
Just think about that for a second. What if a simple handful of these seeds every day could make a real, tangible difference in how your body works? We're talking everything from your heart health all the way to the strength of your hair. That's exactly what we're about to break down, one benefit at a time.
So yeah, they might not look like much, but pumpkin seeds are a true superfood. We're going to explore what makes them so special, looking at how they help regulate, defend, and strengthen your body from the inside out. It's pretty cool.
Okay, before we jump into all the good stuff, just a quick but really important reminder. These seeds are amazing for sure, but it's always a good idea to chat with a healthcare professional before you make any big changes to your diet. This is all about learning and getting inspired.
First up, let's talk about regulation. You know, our bodies are constantly trying to find balance, especially when it comes to hormones. And it turns out, pumpkin seeds have some key ingredients that act like master regulators for some of our most important internal systems.
So, the hero here is something called a phytosterol. The easiest way to think of these is as smart little molecules. They can look at what your body needs and either mimic or block hormones, like estrogen, to help keep things in check. It's this amazing ability to adapt that makes them so powerful.
So how does that actually work? Well, for men's health, it's a huge deal for the prostate. See, the body can sometimes convert testosterone into a much more potent hormone called DHT, which is linked to an enlarged prostate. Those phytosterols we just mentioned, they basically step in and act like a roadblock, helping to stop that conversion from happening. It's a really powerful, natural way to be proactive.
And you know, it's not just the phytosterols doing all the work. Pumpkin seeds also give you a great dose of zinc, which is absolutely vital for prostate function, and antioxidants like vitamin E that fight off damage to your cells. It's like a whole protective team working together. And this isn't just for the guys. This hormonal harmony is incredibly helpful for women too, especially during menopause. Those same phytosterols can act as gentle, natural phytoestrogens. What that means is they can help ease those really common symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings by giving the body some plant-based support when its own estrogen levels are fluctuating.
Okay, next up, let's look at how pumpkin seeds can be like a natural defense system, like a shield for some of your most important organs. We're talking about your heart, your eyes, and even your gallbladder. Think of these nutrients as your heart's best friends. First, you've got magnesium, which helps keep your heart beating steadily and your blood vessels relaxed. Then there's arginine, which helps your body produce nitric oxide. That's key for good blood flow. And our old friends, the phytosterols, team up with fiber to help lower that bad LDL cholesterol. It's a fantastic multi-level defense for your heart. And that shield doesn't just stop at your heart. Let's talk about protecting one of our most precious senses, our vision. Turns out, pumpkin seeds are amazing for this too. It's almost like nature knew we'd be staring at screens all day. Pumpkin seeds have these two compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin. You can think of them as your eye's own internal sunglasses, helping to filter out damaging UV rays and even the blue light from our phones and computers. Plus, you get vitamin E and beta-carotene to support your overall eye health and help you see better in the dark. And hey, here's a quick but really important one for your gallbladder. The combo of healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps keep your bile flowing smoothly. And that's a big deal because it can seriously reduce the risk of painful gallstones forming. All right, let's switch gears from all that internal defense work to the benefits you can actually see and feel. We're talking about soothing your muscles and giving you the building blocks for seriously strong hair and nails. Ever been woken up in the middle of the night by a crazy, painful muscle cramp? Ugh, it's the worst. Well, a lot of the time, that's just a sign of a mineral imbalance, and pumpkin seeds are the perfect solution. They're loaded with magnesium to help your muscles contract and relax properly, and potassium to keep your electrolytes in balance. And for stronger hair and nails, think of it like a simple three-step building project. Step 1, zinc comes in and helps build keratin, which is the main protein they're made of. Step 2, B vitamins jump in to support healthy follicles and cells. And finally, step 3, omega-3s add the finishing touches, providing all the nourishment and moisture from the inside out.
We have covered a lot of ground, so let's just pull everything together for a quick summary of the powerhouse nutrients that make all of this possible.
This chart really connects all the dots, doesn't it? You can see a straight line from a benefit, like hormone balance, right to its key players, zinc and phytosterols. From your heart to your hair, it's just so clear how these tiny seeds pack such a massive nutritional punch.
And one last time, just as a friendly reminder, this is all for educational purposes. We always want to encourage you to listen to your own body and work with a healthcare professional you trust to make the absolute best choices for you.
So, we'll leave you with this thought to chew on. Knowing just how much power can be packed into something as small and simple as a seed, what's one little change you could make, maybe even starting today, to bring more of that power from natural foods into your own life?